Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your stock blow-off valve louder. A blow-off valve, or BOV, is a crucial component in turbocharged engines, designed to release excess boost pressure when you lift off the throttle. This rapid release of air is what creates that satisfying whoosh sound. We'll explore simple modifications to your existing valve and discuss other options to achieve a much more pronounced and exciting sound from your engine. One of the most effective ways to make your stock blow-off valve louder is to convert it to vent to atmosphere. Many factory blow-off valves are designed to recirculate the released air back into the intake system, which muffles the sound. By redirecting this air directly into the atmosphere, you eliminate the muffling effect, allowing the distinct whoosh to be heard much more clearly. This modification often involves a simple adapter or hose reroute. If you're looking for even more volume and a distinct sound, upgrading to an aftermarket blow-off valve is an excellent option. These valves are engineered with sound in mind, often featuring larger diaphragms or piston designs. Many aftermarket units also allow you to adjust the spring tension, giving you control over how quickly and loudly the valve opens and closes. Expect to spend between $150 and $400 for a quality aftermarket unit. Beyond the blow-off valve itself, other factors can influence its sound. Installing an open-element air intake system, for example, can further amplify the whoosh by removing restrictive airboxes. Additionally, engines running higher boost pressures, perhaps 15 to 20 pounds per square inch, will naturally produce a louder blow-off sound due to the greater volume and velocity of air being released. Always ensure any modifications are installed correctly to maintain engine performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.